It's a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. I'm here at County Market, going up for the week, longer than that. There goes all my money. Look at it, it's going, it's burning. It is burning. It will burn eventually. Turned it to gas and now it's gonna burn. This is how I babysit.
Please, calm down.
Calm down? You just had to have a party, didn't you? Don't you see what's happened?
Hey, what's with you?
I'm just going to work. It's all rainy out. Ugh. Or it did rain. Now it's getting a little nicer out. There's a pool party tonight. That's when I'm working. But I'll probably get there and they'll be like, oh, they canceled. It would suck.
I love you.
Looks like I just did this.